How to strengthen your back for super posture.
That's right. We've got 6 excellent exercises we're going to show you real time. You're going to do them in bed, and they are really going to show you some posture. And just hold on. We'll get to it. Join us.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So all these exercises you can just do in bed, and it should only take 3 minutes, and you can even follow along if you would like.
Who is this guy?
Mike. That's who I am.
Yeah, so Bob's here, not here. He's got some other work going on today. Mike is going to do an excellent job, and so he's got to put up with me. So let's go to the first one. These are all you can do in bed. You could do them on the floor if you wanted, maybe on a carpeted floor, but the bed works fine too. Go ahead.
We're going to do them in a follow-along format. If it's too hard, just pick which ones work for you.
Right. We're going to do 30 seconds each. If you get tired in that 30 seconds, just rest and watch Mike exercise. That's what I'm going to do.
Yes.
Okay, so the first one, lying on your stomach.
Yeah, let's get started. First exercise we're doing are Y circles. So we're going to lay on our stomach on a pillow so we got more room for our shoulders to move. And Brad is kindly going to give me a towel for my forehead. So we go in a Y position and we just start making circles.
Nice. Yeah. These are really going to work these muscles back here for that posture. We're going for 30 seconds, Mike. You got 22 seconds to go.
Oh, gosh, this will take forever.
If you get too tired and you need to stop and rest while you're joining along with us,
shake them out a little bit.
Shake it out and just relax. All right, we got another 8 seconds. So, he's getting that circle. Those scapular muscles are really going to town here. All right.
You can switch directions. I'm going clockwise, counterclockwise.
Time is up.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah, 30 seconds. These are pretty aggressive, so just relax with it and follow along. The next one. All right, number 2, Mike, carry away.
These are shoulder blade push-ups. So you get in a kneeling push-up position, and then you're actually going to use your scapular muscles to retract and protract.
Don't bend those elbows. Keep elbows locked. There. Look from the other camera. You can see those subscapularis muscles, which are hard to work unless you do it like this. How are you doing, Mike?
I'm doing just fine, but it is definitely a workout.
Good. Can you do them on your forearms? That's another option.
So then you drop down, and we're going to do the same thing.
Butt down. Butt down. There you go.
Butt down, not up in the air.
Good. Now, my fingers are on his shoulder blades. You can see the motion going on in there. Those subscapularis muscles are great for posture, and they're going to town right now. Oh, I forgot the time. Do you feel like 30 seconds is up?
I don't know. Cameraman, is it 30 seconds?
We got 5 more seconds.
You guys are making stuff up.
There we go. All right, good. And number 3, Mike.
We are doing swimming kicks, so it's just like you're kicking in the pool. So we're keeping our legs straight, really working your low back and your buttock muscles.
There you go. We got 7 seconds underway. Notice how he keeps his knees straight. A lot of hip extensors and the low back. And these are really important for posture. This is one that you may not think is important for posture, but it absolutely is. How you doing, Mike?
This is work. I never do these. This is work.
Absolutely.
Breathing through this.
Okay, you got 7 more seconds. Good job. Breathe.
And I do have a pillow underneath me for this one just to get a little more room here. Makes it more comfortable. You can also put your hands down here if you'd like.
Time. Mike, you forgot to tuck your shirt in. You know how I feel about it. You don't know. It's like Bob was always so neat and trim. Let's go on. Number 4, Mike.
We are on to snow angels. Reverse snow angels.
Yes.
We're making up these things. All right, can I have a towel?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That way you can rest your head. Your neck feels much better.
Arms are going to be straight the whole time, and it's just like you're making a snow angel, but you're laying on your face.
And I really like this. Okay, that's 8 seconds. We're going to keep going. This really does a nice job of working the upper, the middle, and the lower fibers of those upper traps. Really critical for that posture. How you doing, Mike?
Good, but I wouldn't actually want to do this in the snow because my face would be in it.
Right. Well, you'd have to do them lying on your back, perhaps in supine versus prone.
This definitely works your back more, though.
Yeah, it's working good. How you doing, Tanner? How is he looking?
Trying to breathe through it.
Good. All right, 3, 2, 1. You're done.
Thank you.
Good. Here, let me give you a little massage there. Good. All right. All right. Number 5, Mike.
We are doing T circles. So we're laying on our stomach again. Pillow here. Towel, please, sir. Thank you kindly. And we are making the shape of a T. And we're going in circles. It's just like the Y, but it's a T. What can we spell with Y and T? Yeti.
Twy.
TY, those
Yeah.
beanie babies.
Right. So you're going to go circles both directions?
Yep, I'm kind of switching as I see
Yeah.
fit. If you're tired, obviously you're going to be here. If you try to work your scapular and back more, you're going to be up here.
Oh.
So
This is really strengthening those posture muscles, every single one. Keep going. We got about 5 more seconds.
this towel is nice for my sweat.
You're sweating?
A little bit. I don't have any hair.
Okay, good. Give it a break. All right, that's a nice exercise. Again, my timing's a little off, so don't criticize me on the 30 seconds.
Criticize
Stop right
us.
there. And the last one, number 6, Mike, let's look at it.
This is a reverse Y. So we're doing like this. It's almost like you're flying. You're going to leave your legs down and you're going to extend your back like this, arms straight. And this is a hold, a static hold. So it's working your low back more.
Ooh, you got 6 seconds. If you could hold this for 30 seconds, I would have to say you are like Superman, Superwoman, super person.
If you are on a bed, it's a little easier to hook it on the edge here like I am. It kind of gives you a little point to grab
Right
onto.
there, yeah. All right, 10 more. How are you doing, Mike? 10 seconds.
Fine. You should get a water bottle because squirt in my mouth.
Just kidding. Yeah, make sure you got your water with you in the morning. Okay, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Nice work, Mike. Posture, posture, posture once again. Also, we do have a giveaway going on this week, which is a big deal. It's actually
I don't know what it is. What is it?
Sleepovation mattress.
Mattress.
Yeah,
so try doing these exercises in that bed.
Absolutely. Yeah, you definitely need the pillow. I have one. I love it. They're very comfortable, and you'll get one sent right to your house if you win. So go to the bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section, and you'll get the instructions on how to get in there. Mike, is there anything else that you wanna get off your chest? You know.
Oh, I just got my chest off the bed and I did the last exercise, so that was good.
Yeah, well, one way or another, it's all good. So once again, let's see how you do this. We can fix just about anything except for
A broken heart.
yeah, but we're working on it, and posture doesn't have too much to do with it. We have found out over the years.
Are you sure? My heart feels better already.
See, maybe we're off track. Mike is going to help us out on this. We'll get the book done soon. Take care.
Bye.